This presentation is made in memory of our beloved late Shri Putta Jagan Mohan Rao, who is our inspiration in all our activities, both business and otherwise.
Hi, I am Vamsi.
Hi, I'm Rana Pratap. Let me tell you something interesting and important. The places which take out mineral and put it to proper use will see proper development, says Kausalya in his Arthasastra.
For any human being, neither the day starts nor ends without touching any mineral.
Now, see this road. What is this made up of? Is it not cement, steel and so on?
Laterite mineral is one of the most used raw material in the manufacturing of cement.
When we speak about laterite mineral, we need to take the name of
Maheshwari minerals, Maheshwari minerals, Maheshwari minerals.
Yes, Maheshwari minerals, a very popular and symbolic name for laterite mining, processing and its trading.
Maheshwari minerals has been in the business of laterite mining and trading for the past 15 years.
Yes, Maheshwari minerals have the laterite mines starting from the foothills of the Eastern Ghats in East Godavari district. They are conducting laterite mining operations over a few hundreds of acres, producing bulk quantities of laterite.
All their mining locations are situated within 15 kilometers on this National Highway 16, Old National Highway 5.
Let's go to the mines of Maheshwari minerals.
Alright,
Let's go. Vamsi, yeah, when we're going to the laterite mines of Maheshwari minerals, don't you think we should know something about the laterite mineral?
Yeah, of course.
So here we go.
Laterite is found at the capping on the hills at a height of 300 to 600 MSL, mean sea level. That is, plus 300 with a thickness of 7 to 15 meters. In East Godavari district, it is found on the starting hills of Eastern Ghats. Laterite is a residual ferruginous rock commonly found in tropical regions. It is a highly weathered material. It is either hard or capable of hardening on exposure to moisture and dryness. This laterite is used as an additive in cement industry. Other consuming sectors are building, construction and road metal.
So that's what you wanted to know, brother?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Thank you. This is the stockyard of Maheshwari minerals, and the red heaps you see here is a laterite mineral. The mineral is shifted from the mines at the top of the hill and is brought down here. From here it is transported to various cement factories.
Maheshwari minerals. Maheshwari minerals is operating on a few hundreds of acres of the leasehold area in all its mines in the starting hills of Eastern Ghats.
Four-way National Highway Road is only about 15 kilometers from here, and this mining company has got exclusive railway siding at Ravikampadu, which is only about 35 kilometers from here. The airport is at Rajahmundry at 60 kilometers, and the nearest railway station at Samarlakota 35 kilometers.
Eleshwaram Reservoir Canal passes close to this mining area, making it the surplus water source. As such, plenty of groundwater is made available around this mining area.
Let's meet some important people for further information.
Sure.
Can you kindly tell us about the facilities in the stockyard and explain about the equipment?
We have stockyards in all our mining areas with an area of 20 to 25 acres each. All our mining locations are provided with one ambulance each for meeting any health emergencies, not only for our employees but also for the needy of nearby villages. Treatment will be at the company's cost for all. This is the crushing machinery. Bigger size blocks of the mineral dumped by the dumpers are put for crushing in this machine. This crushes and separates the material into two different sizes. This fine laterite is sent to the cement factories. In addition to the government roads, the company has laid its own roads to an extent of 30 kilometers, bypassing the villages along the route to reach the destination. From the stockyards of the mines, the laterite is either directly sent to the customer factories by using private transport vehicles or using our own tippers and trucks. It is shifted to the dump yards near our company's exclusive railway siding at Ravikampadu railway station. The material is loaded into railway wagons for transit to the customer factories.
Our company supplies the laterite material to its customer factories promptly as per the committed time with the committed quantity and quality. Our company is fully equipped to cater the needs of the overseas market through Kakinada and Visakhapatnam ports, which are nearer to all our mining locations. In our mines, we have provided employment to an extent of 95% to the people from the nearby villages. We have trained these people in our company's vocational training institute and gave them the jobs in our mines.
Thanks a lot. Thanks for the information.
Thank you. These are the mines of Maheshwari Minerals at the hilltop. After discussing with the mining officials over here, we came to know that drilling and blasting is completely avoided by Maheshwari Minerals. This aspect takes care of the sound pollution totally. Water sprinkling vehicles sprinkle water continuously to suppress the dust. This minimizes the air pollution to about 0%.
This is the ripper dozer, with which, firstly the upper black soil that is useless is ripped off and then dumped at one side with the help of dumpers and excavators. Later, the laterite mineral is ripped and then dosed to the sides, as you can see here.
The machinery you see over there is a power screener, a very important machine which is used to segregate the laterite mineral, ripped and dosed into different sizes.
As the mining activity is performed day and night in shift system, these generator-fitted light towers are used in stockyards and mines of all the mining areas of the company for the continuous surveillance of the mining activity.
All the workers in our mines are provided with helmets, mining shoes and uniforms by our company. Our company has provided fire extinguishers in administrative blocks, mining areas, storerooms and so on. The company has placed 240 safety signboards in each of our mining area, up and down the hill all over, strictly in accordance with the mining norms. Bench heights in the mining area and the floor of the mines are properly and evenly maintained as per the mining norms. The company has also laid and maintained proper roads with proper width and inclinations, facilitating a free movement for any vehicle in the mining areas. In the buffer zone between the forest and the mining area boundaries, proper distance is maintained and proper roads are laid. The reclaimed area of the mines are leveled immediately by the black soil ripped off in the very first phase of the mining in one bit, and the plantation is also done before the mining in the next bit is started, exactly in accordance with the mining and environmental norms. Thereby, Maheshwari Minerals does a perfect and environmental friendly mining.
Maheshwari Minerals are taking all the statutory requirements as per the rules and regulations of the government. When it comes to the environment issue, we have developed green belt all around our mining areas, excavated areas, and along the approach roads. Our policy is to strictly follow the mining rules, regulations and statutory obligations of the government.
We believe in eco-friendly and safe mining.
And that's about the perfect mining performed by the company and the care it is taking in the process of mining.
Now, let's know about the social activities done by this company in its own way.
Our company has an existence of 15 long years in the mining field. Our company got bores dug in the villages and established the water purification plants to give them fresh and purified groundwater.
మంచినీళ్ళు కాలువలో తెచ్చుకునే వాళ్ళమండి. దానివల్ల ఎక్కువ ఆరోగ్యం నీరసలు అవి వచ్చేసేయండి. హాస్పిటల్కి వెళ్ళలేక కొంతమంది అలా ఇంట్లో పడిపోయి ఉండేవాళ్ళండి. ఇప్పుడైతే ఆ ఇబ్బంది లేకుండా తీసుకెళ్తున్నారండి. హాస్పిటల్ తీసుకెళ్ళి వాళ్ళకి ఎంత డబ్బు ఖర్చు అయినా బాగా చేయించి పంపిస్తున్నారు.
The company got constructed a colony of houses in the Vanthada area consisting of 1 bedroom, kitchen, hall, bath and WC with steps to the terrace each.
To the old people and widows who are incapable of going to the agriculture or any other work, our company is giving rupees 1000 each monthly for about 150 people, which comes to 1.5 lakh rupees per month. We pray God to support our Maheshwari Minerals in all our attempts to do good to the society while doing our business.
Now let's talk about the statutory obligations which Maheshwari Minerals has completed so far as their mining is concerned.
The environmental clearance is obtained from the Ministry of Environment and Forest, Government of India.
CFO means consent for operations. For all the mines, this is obtained from the State Pollution Control Board.
Permission to use the heavy machinery is obtained from the Department of Mine Safety.
Permission to have the company's own vocational training institute is obtained, wherein not only the company's own staff is trained, but also people who are interested in getting trained with the mining techniques.
The company has appointed qualified mining personnel as per the statutory requirement to ensure a smoother operation of the mines in accordance with the government norms.
The company submits all its periodical returns and statements to various departments as required with the norms of Indian Mines Bureau, IBM.
In this way, Maheshwari Minerals conduct mining and trading, duly complying with the provisions and the norms laid down by the government, both central and state, from time to time.
Minerals are the major resource of the nation's economic development, but these resources are exhaustible and finite. The optimal and economical use of these minerals plays a vital role in the national development. A closely integrated strategy has to be evolved for proper management of minerals, which is essential for continuous development of the nation. So, what is sustainable development? So, it's all about biodiversity, protecting of local ecological balancing system, and third one is taking utmost care of the local tribals and local population, and it's all about their welfare and living standards. We, Maheshwari Minerals, believes in such kind of sustainable development. In precise, we wanted to keep our mining areas in a better ecological state than they were earlier, and also the surrounding areas in terms of social and economic aspects, we wanted to keep them in a better state than they were earlier.
Maheshwari Minerals, a brand name for bulk quantity.
Maheshwari Minerals, a brand name for high quality.
Maheshwari Minerals, a brand name for abiding with government rules and norms.
Maheshwari Minerals, a brand name for environmental friendly mining.
Maheshwari Minerals, a brand name for committed corporate and social responsibility.
Maheshwari Minerals, a brand name for perfect mining. Maheshwari Minerals, a brand name for laterite.